You're watching Dibber.
Hi there folks, and welcome to another episode of, well, come on then,
Mad Monday.
Yeah, it's Mad Monday. God dear, isn't the weather been mad today? Right, we're in a slightly different setting today. Cheers, we're having a cold beer, try and cool down a little bit. Right, today's Mad Monday story involves an air show in Austria, and apparently what they've decided to do is they've decided to call in some soldiers to clear away some birds who threaten an air show that is going to be taking place over there sometime this week. Now, the birds they're actually trying to shoo away are storks. Now, anyone who knows anything about birds will know storks are quite a large bird, and yes, they can do a lot of damage to a plane when they strike a plane, especially if they get caught up in the engines. They can cause a lot of problems. But what I thought was really mad about this whole story was not the fact that they're going to be using soldiers to scare away the birds, but the fact that the soldiers are not allowed to use guns or loud bangs or any of that type of deterrent. What they've actually got to do is they've got to stare them down. Now, apparently things like gunfire and loud bangs and stuff don't deter these birds, but apparently they get really intimidated when people stare at them. They don't like being stared at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to the story down there for you guys to go and have a little check up on. And I hope this one gives you as much of a chuckle as it gave me. And yeah, here's the comments from last week's Mad Monday. God, has it been bloody warm today, or has it been warm? God dear. Totally mad if you ask me. I'll see you next Monday. Bye now.